Namaste everyone, this is Harsha Ramaiya. Due to some technical error that video's connection got lost, so I am making it again. So first of all, thank you so much. As I mentioned every single day that it really means a lot when you all stay tuned every single day. You all like my videos, you all share your appreciative words with me and compliment each and everything. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. So let me start this story again. This is a very beautiful story with a wonderful message. So here goes the story of the two pots. These pots are earthen pots, मिट्टी के घड़े जिसको हम बोलते हैं. तो ये दो घड़े एक आदमी जिसका नाम था भीमा. Every single day, Bhima used to take these two pots to the water pond. He used to fill them with water and take them to his home. ये हर रोज का उसका काम था कि ये दोनों मिट्टी के जो घड़े हैं उसमें पानी भर के अपने घर ले जाता था. He used to hang them on his shoulder, बड़ी सी डंडी और दोनों पॉट्स एक साइड ये करके ले जाता था पानी भर के. तो रास्ते में ये दोनों पॉट्स बहुत फ्रेंडली हो जाते थे, एक दूसरे से बातें करते थे और बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन गए थे. एक दिन क्या हुआ, आउट ऑफ दीज टू पॉट्स वन पॉट गॉट डैश्ड समवेयर और उसमें थोड़ी सी तिराड़ पड़ गई. उस जो वो पॉट था थोड़ा सा टूट गया. सो व्हाट हैपेंड दैट जब दिस भीमा यूज्ड टू गो टू फिल द वाटर, थोड़ा सा पानी यूज्ड टू लीक एवरी सिंगल डे in his journey from the pond to his house. So on the way, the water used to leak and only half water used to reach home. So these are two pots, एक जिसमें पूरा पानी रहता था and this other pot used to reach half filled. So this other pot, I will call this pot as Mr. Perfect. So he used to start, now he, had that thing ke, oh, मैं तो पूरा पानी ले जाता हूँ. So he started teasing him. He started nagging this pot जो थोड़ा सा टूट गया था. So every single day he used to tell that you are not serving enough to Bhima, our master, and he's carrying you, he's filling you till the mark, and then also the water is getting leaked. On the way it is dropping, and then you are just half filled when you are reaching home. So this pot used to always feel a little depressed. But he was waiting for Bhima to reply that why Bhima is not throwing me. If there is a crack on my pot, why Bhima is not throwing me. So till a week, 10 days, the stories, went on and on. This other Mr. Perfect pot started, criticizing this pot. And now every single day, he used to, try new techniques to humiliate this pot which had cracks on it. So one day Bhima lost his patience. So Bhima stopped on his way. He put down both the pots and then he said, okay, now let me interfere today and now let me tell you that why I am not throwing this pot which has a crack, which when I fill it is complete, and on the way this pot leaks, and when I reach home this pot is just half. So it's not giving me complete use of what I have taken this pot for. Very beautiful reply. This reply touched me, So he puts down both the pots and then he starts his conversation with Mr. Perfect. He says, dear pot, first of all, let me thank you that yes, you are doing a good service and you are providing everything that I need from you. I fill you completely and then you help me to survive for the entire day, to help me drink water and everything. So thank you so much. Now, this is for your criticism that you were doing with this pot which has a crack on it. Now let's look what this pot has done in these 15-20 days. And this Mr. Perfect, अरे उसने क्या किया है? उसने तो पानी गिराया है. उसने कुछ नहीं किया. उसने तो पानी बर्बाद किया है. तुम्हारा मेहनत बर्बाद किया है. And this man Bhima says, wait a minute, let me finish. After this pot developed this crack, in spite of that crack, I filled water and I carried this pot till my home. Now just look back on the way on which we were traveling. So this Mr. Perfect and the other pot both, turn back and look, kya ho gaya hai? He says, look on the ground. And they saw teeny-meeny plants grown on that way. This pot which had crack also was so much happy कि I have done something unknowingly. And this pot felt so much shameful. He was so much ashamed after listening to it that yes, I have done the service for what you have purchased me. But this pot has done service to you as well as to the nature. What a beautiful reply, and what a beautiful thought this Bhima has given us. I really loved that in spite you develop any crack, because I'm sure why I chose this story is in reference to Sushant Singh Rajput. That yes, it's very very important to pay back to the society, and at times when we pay back unknowingly, we don't know that we are paying back, but if we know that we have a self satisfaction. I think Sushant Singh Rajput somewhere was dealing with some identity crisis, some financial crisis, that is what is coming out. But when you call it as a depression, I think the best way to deal with depression is to do something good for the society in spite of any ups and downs. So, this pot, which had some cracks in it, this pot also kept the faith on Bhima. Let me connect it very nicely with Sushant Singh Rajput also. That if he would have kept that connection or that trust with any of the mentor or the guru that he followed, I'm sure he would never have taken this step. So this pot, what he did, though he had that quality of criticism, this pot kept on nagging him. Then to this pot, this broken pot had faith in the master. So he waited. He had that patience that I will not leave my, I will not leave in between till my master does not throw me in the garbage can. So it is very important at times to have this kind of a notice also. In terms of mentors, I would tell, in terms of people when they are broken at any point of life, it is very important to keep faith. And with this faith, though this pot which had developed that crack was doing good deeds unknowingly, but let's all of us cultivate that habit to do good deeds, because all these good deeds, and they will give you a self satisfaction. So whenever you feel depressed in your life, these deeds, these thoughts that you've done, these kind acts will come back to you for that rescue. It is very important to live for yourself, but it is very important to live a little for someone else. So I mentioned that little crack and a little water dropping out of it, but that little water allowed those plants, those flowers to grow. So a small act of kindness will always go a long way. So it is very important to every single day before you go to bed, do something that gives you inner happiness, which gives you inner happiness. And yes, do not get carried away by the criticism that the world does. Second important lesson that we need to learn from this spot is how much ever that Mr. Perfectionist or Mr. Perfect has criticized him. This criticism is the tough balls that the world throws on us. These are the tough things that the world throws on us. But we have to live up to ourselves. We have to understand that our life not only belongs to us, but to the entire family. So, very important lesson. This story really touched me, and I am sure that you all will love this story. तो जो भी मुझे सुन रहे हैं, please note down that every single day do a little act of kindness. And if you like this story, definitely put down in the comment section box, because I am very happy to see audience, and I'm very happy that they love this. So this week, as I promised, I have made a chart, a timetable, that what every single day I'm going to do. So yesterday I talked about snakes and ladders, why we should play, and play is not a waste of time. So if you've not watched that video, go back and watch that video tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow I'm coming up with brain teasers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a picture on this wall, and you will have to answer that question. So this picture is going to tickle your brain. and then lot more in this entire week. Anything if you want to listen in specific, definitely I'll be happy, and come back to me. I'll be very happy to take your guidance, your advice, and what you would like to hear. So this is bye from my side. Don't forget to share this story with your friends, with your families. Do like my page, Small Wonders. Do follow every single day all the updates on this page, because there is lot more that is in my treasure bank and which I'm going to unveil every single day. So this is bye from my side. Wait for tomorrow live at 5, coming with a brain teaser. Bye.